Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk about the pale touch-me-not or jewelweed. So it forms gorgeous orange flowers that can be found in the Whitemud and Blackmud Creek ravines in shady moist areas. It also can be found in places across Canada and into the US. They flower pretty much throughout the whole summer, but I first noticed them in my ravines in about mid-August. So of course the name comes from the seed pod that bursts open when touched as a means of seed dispersal. So that's all that I really have to say about that. I'm going to play a couple of slow motion videos of the seed pods bursting open. So enjoy.
They really do bounce. Oh my god, that's fun. Get it to focus on myself. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one was sad.
Mm.